Hello guys, Astra here. Today we're gonna try. I'm gonna try to fix this wireless charger. Uh, the problem that was wrong with it before was every time I put it in charge, it kept it wasn't charging properly. So I opened it up and I found out the battery was inflating, aka knackered. So I got rid of the battery before I charged it even more and blew up. So great. So let's get open and sort the damages. I've taken the battery out already, so there's no damage. Oh no, it's not gonna blow up on me. And this my nails to get into it, and it's gonna be spludgy. Right, so this is what the battery, the charger is. Button here, so you can choose which function you want. USB ports here, and an LED there, so you can use it as a torch. Input there, so you can put it in to charge this up. And this is the charging pad. I'm thinking of changing that at some point, so it fills the whole entire case. It just simply comes out like that. That's what's underneath it. LCD there with a sticker on it. Charging wire input there. Blah 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 blah. Protection. Blah 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 blah. So what I'm going to do is solder the new battery here and here. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean the case. As you can probably tell, it's filthy on the inside. You can't see that. Well, yeah, you can tell it's filthy. So I'm going to clean this up best I can using IPA and wet wipes. I'm going to use IPA on that as well to get rid of all the stickiness. And then put it all back together and see how it goes. Put that over there, put that over there. And this here is protection, kind of, for the wireless pad and the battery to separate them. So I'm going to leave that as it is. It's sticky on this side, so that's coming down, face down, and that's where the battery's going to sit. So I'm going to leave that as it is. Right, so let's clean this up. I really wasn't planning to go live and do this. I just wanted to just do it and just meh. You know what I mean? You can't see shit. There you go. Where my camera is that I can't see what I'm doing personally because the camera's in my face. But hey, what can you do? Stand up straight, guys. Come on. Why am I not wearing gloves? There you go. Magical Chinese gloves that don't fit me properly. I don't know why I keep wearing gloves. I just feel more professional if I wear these, even though these are shit. That one's up. Look, first time it hasn't ripped open. Well, you can tell my fingers end there, and it's there. They're shit, but they're doing good. They do the job. There's a water noise going on outside. That's ripped open there, which is fantastic. Let's try this in toilet paper because that's all I've got. Dry. I'm not too fussy with special with smudges and stuff like that. Smudge layer, there's a smudge layer, and that bit of a sticky foam there. I'm not bothered about that. It's the inside. No one cares about the inside, right? Okay, so let's do this one with the same bit of shit roll, wet wipe. Since the last live stream when I did the Xbox controller, why has been so noisy outside? Jeez. I'm now fully vaccinated, which is great. Fully vaccinated, so I've had both jabs, and I've got no more jabs to have. Yeah, no, I'm using the wrong tool for this. I'm using a pair of pliers. This is great. This crap off. I'm a bad professional. Professionalism. Where's my bin? There's my bin. Shit. I'm okay. Just knocking everything over. I know that I said that I was supposed to be doing a stereo at some point. I cannot be bothered because it's such a big job. Right, that's nice and cleanish now. Cleanish. Here's my cotton glove to wipe it. Oh yeah, I'll show you the battery first actually. So much bubble wrap for a little package. How does one open? Ah, there. Okay. Man, it slips out, right? There's the battery. The battery is a 3.7 volt, 8,000 micro amp hour. I don't know what the technical term is that. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll turn on my soldering iron, and then I'll clean this up while the soldering iron warms up. Right, so I'm gonna use my hammer as a temporary rest from the soldering iron. Right, let's IPA this bitch. IPA is this, if you can read it. Yes, you can. It's 99% alcohol, which cleans corrosion, crap off electrical stuff, and it gets rid of sticky things off everything really. It smells a lot like varnish, like nail polish, but a lot worse. Let's clean this in. I will be using flux, which is like a compound, like a gel type thing that makes the soda stick to other soda. So it's like a gel that's like a glue to soda, which is this stuff. Pretty good, that stuff. I haven't used it properly, but I've seen some reviews on it. I'll leave that to dry for a bit. How's my solder doing? Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good soldering. Just testing the solder, and it's so good. I need to separate the heat from this thing. I mean, not to set fire to anything else, especially my cloth table, because that'd be a nightmare if I do. So I'm going to do it on this cardboard box. Logic. I do have a. I know this is going to sound so wrong, but I have a solder sucker, which basically is if you're soldering, and you want to get rid of a little dot of solder. You just move it back a little bit so you can see more. That'll do. Yeah, you push that down like that, and then you do your soldering, and then you push this button here. It shoots the solder up, and you should have like a little dot of solder inside. Should, I mean, you will. So let's put you somewhere where I can see things and you can see. Let's put you. Are you okay there? Yeah. You're okay there. Obviously, I'm left-handed, so this is not gonna be good at all. Let's make sure the solder is soldering. Yes, it is. Good. Let's get some flux. Good job, Ashley. This is what flux looks like, and there will be a lot of smoke. So I've got my door shut. Let's get a bit of flux on my little fin here. Stick it on there. There will be a lot of smoke, obviously. I'm left-handed, so this is not gonna be good. Come on, gloves, cooperate with me, you bastard. You should be fine. You should be fine there, right? This is like basically shooting it, really. Oh, should I just not use that at all and just simply pull the wire away? There you go. That's that one done. Get some more flux on this one. You don't need too much flux, just because. Alright, remember, red left, look right. Come on, there we go. There you go. That's that one gone as well. Let's put you over here for now. Stay away from the top paper. Right, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to measure how long the cables are going to be. So temporarily put this back in here. It all clicks. Oh yeah, this is officially 3 years old, nearly 3 years old. The 22nd of January, February, March. The 22nd of March 2018, this is when this was made. And the battery decided to die now. Okay. Temporary. Just gonna do that. So I can measure out how long I want the cables. Let's say about there. And that's gonna be roughly about there. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to thread out, well, I mean not thread out, take the plastic off these, which is going to be something like this. There's one. Sorry, you can't see. Neither can I. shorten it so much now. Not do. Twisty. So there's a lot of thing called tinning, which is when you put a bit of solder on the end of your soldering iron, on the end of these wires. So I'll do that now real quick. Here's something else I want to get. It's called like it's called helping hand, which is like a sturdy piece of clamming frame type thing. I started setting price in the box. That's good. Right, so that's that. Right, so now this. I want to super glue. Yes, super glue. A little bit. Super glue that in the middle of there. So that's where this comes in. Screw that in there, right? I mean, it just automatically pops. Question mark. Oh, there you go. Just squirt it all over me. Note to self, do not squeeze at the same time. Oh, that's burning. Oh, burning hot. Right, screw you then. Right, a little bit there, a little bit there. That'll do. Put it straight as possible and hold it down for a few seconds. Right. Now this thing should just sit there, right? Should. It will just sit there. There you go. Right, so let's put a little bit more solder on that little dot there on the battery plus, because I think I've taken a bit off actually. Let's put you back where you can see. Yep, there goes my microphone stand all together. Fantastic. Meh, fuck it. You're on an angle. Here I do. Right, I need another glove. Oh, you know what? No, I don't. Spine. Shit. There goes my left hand. The set parts in the whole world. When you start dropping it, actually, the set parts are a lot of fucking shit. Right, there you go. I think. No, I don't. I can smell burning flux. It smells great. Right, so I'm going to hold up there. With my right hand. So, if you'll let me. That's that one on. I know people are watching this in the future or later on, and they'll be shouting at me saying, "It's supposed to do the red one, the black one first, you idiot." Yeah, I think I know that. Right, you're on. Are you gonna be happy now? Nick, 66%. There we go. So what I'm gonna do now is somehow Yeah, see what, I'll super glue the battery back down. And a tiny little bit. You don't need too much, obviously. So I know that's working now, so that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit here. Pop, pop, pop. So I can super glue that down. Kind of like that. Maybe a little bit here. And here. So I can super glue the battery down. I use IPA as well to clean the terminals a bit, because I think there's a bit of burning flux there and stuff. I'll do that now when I'm holding this down. There's glue all over the paintbrush and my fingers. That's nice. Not you staying? Yes you are. Can you fit back in again, please? There you go. Are you still happy to push the power button? Yes, you are still happy. Cool. There we go. Puts back into place, halfway. A wireless charger, Bodge. If my phone sound. Yeah, it comes sound, that's why. Turn the Bluetooth off as well. I'll fuck the Bluetooth. And then we'll check if it's charging or not. Wireless charging. Phone. I'm about to. I'm about now. There we go. Bit fussy. So there you go. It's wireless charging. You can see there, as you can see there. The lights on. The lights on, and there's no cables into it. But now, there's another problem that I spotted. Sure, it's wireless charging, it's happy, the USB ports will work, but if I plug this into charge, I plugged it in, and it's saying it's still wireless charging out, right? Still out. So if I move this down a little bit, oh, quite a lot actually, it says in, because it's now charging inwards. There we go. In, out, in, out. So let's stay in now, because I forced it down so much. So let's sort that problem out. Turn the soldering iron off. Right, let's open this thing up again. We do it professional with this from this angle here. Right. So it only likes to charge up when it's in a certain pin that we're using. Just work this out real quick. Right, so it only likes to charge up when it's more up this way. So I think I need to make this out properly. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'll go and get some padding. Padding, I mean a bundle of shit. Like literally. I want to see the end of this thing right there. Some of you might recognise this from somewhere. For example, yes, this is the actual stuff from that you put between doors. It's a door drafter thing to make a door shut quieter. So what I'm gonna do is do a Bodge up this thing. No, not there. There. I'm gonna do a Bodge job. No bit of simple glue on there. Catch it up, it's actually done. There. And then stick this in on. Bosh. If that's not gonna be enough, then I'll add another one on top of that. Professionalism! Right. I know exactly what the problem is, but I don't have I need a heat gun so I can resolder the part. The pot. I need to make it flush again on the floor. Still out. I'm gonna add another one on top of that. It's not as bad now, so that's good news. So I'll add another one on top of that. What's it on? Okay. Just keep adding it till it actually works. Ain't gonna go in now. Why are you pushing too far now? Yay! There you go. It's charging. It's in. So there you go. That's a botched job of fixing a wireless charger. The battery cost me £7 something from eBay, so that was nice. So yeah, it was the battery that was on its way out. So that's great. We'll get some a few times. It's more stiffer now. That's good news. There you go. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be like, I don't know, whatever.